In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Coursera subscription easily and effectively. Whether you finished a course or simply want to take a break, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's get started by logging into Coursera. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Coursera website. Once you're there, look for the login option and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure to type in your email and password accurately to gain access to your account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to go to your account settings. You'll notice your profile picture or avatar icon on the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage your account preferences. Now that you're in the settings, it's time to access your subscriptions. Look for a tab or section that says Purchases and Subscriptions, or just Subscriptions. Clicking on this will bring you to a list of all your active subscriptions. Here you'll be able to see if you're subscribed to Coursera Plus or any individual courses. Next, it's time to cancel your subscription. Find the subscription you wish to cancel from the list and click on the Cancel Subscription button adjacent to it. Coursera will guide you through a few prompts to confirm your cancellation. Pay close attention to these prompts and confirm that you wish to cancel your subscription. It's important to remember that even after canceling, you'll continue to have access until the end of your current billing cycle. So no need to rush through your remaining courses. Make the most of your access while you still have it. Finally, let's check for confirmation. After you've canceled the subscription, Coursera will send you an email confirming your cancellation. It's a good idea to keep this email for your records. It serves as proof of cancellation should any billing concerns arise. Make sure to check your inbox and perhaps your spam folder just in case it lands there. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully canceled your Coursera subscription. It's always good to pause and reassess your learning needs, and with these instructions, you're free to manage your educational journey with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides. Thank you for watching.